Guys, welcome to Quickies from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. There are three things I think we should all be considering putting our dollars into and getting out of U.S. currency currently with the instability and the volatility that we're seeing in the markets. So number one, my number one choice is tools and fuel. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so take this for what it's worth. But my personal choice, tools and fuel. That could be, if you're a farmer, it might be a combine and diesel to run that combine. It could be a tractor, it could be chainsaws, whatever tool and fuel that you understand and know how to operate and you think you could use for either getting work done easier down the road and or bartering with down the road. My personal choice for tools and fuel is guns and ammo. Of course, guns being the tool, ammo being the fuel, because you can hunt with it, you can defend with it, and as a result, it becomes one of the best items for bartering should we get to that point down the road. And again, part of this is just to also protect us from inflation. So to basically hedge against inflation as the dollar's buying power goes down. So my number two choice after tools and fuel is going to be precious metals. I like precious metals because once again, and I'll make a whole nother video on this, but explaining precious metals for those of you that have an interest. But gold and silver, not only do they have some industrial uses, but they have been a preservation of wealth literally for centuries. So that would be my number two choice. My number three choice, I like this option, but it doesn't work for me because I'm not talented enough to do this one, and that's livestock. So once again, as food sources become a little harder to get, the delivering and of food sources is going to be a challenge perhaps going forward. So if that happens, having those food sources, livestock, might be an asset for any of us to have, both for our own families, but also for using to barter with other folks. So hopefully this helps. Post down below what you think if you would replace one of those top three with something else. I know there's a lot of others that I like, but those are my top three. Take care.